In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom metrics in Looker Studio. Custom metrics are a great way to tailor your data analysis to suit specific needs, offering more flexibility and insight than standard metrics. So, whether you're looking to gain deeper insights into your reports or customize your data representation, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First things first, let's head over to Looker Studio. If you're not already there, go ahead and open it in your browser. Once you're in, you can create a custom metric at the data source level. This method is powerful because it allows your new metric to be available across all charts within your report. Open your desired report and locate the data source you'd like to customize. Click on the data option, or you might see a pencil icon representing Edit next to the data source. Give that a click. Now let's create a field by selecting the Add a Field option. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to name your new metric. A straightforward yet descriptive name, like conversion rate or items per session, will do wonders in helping you keep things organized later on. Next, input your formula in the formula box. This formula will be the calculator that computes your custom metric using existing data. For instance, you could use a formula like SUM, post engagement, SUM, impressions, to calculate the engagement rate. Play around with different operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Before you save, check if your data type needs adjustments. Sometimes a metric will be more meaningful if represented as a percentage or another format. Once everything is set, click Apply or Save to bring your new metric to life. Now, if you need a custom metric for just one specific chart and not across the entire report, perhaps you have a one-time analysis in mind, Looker Studio makes that easy too. Start by selecting the chart you want to customize, like a scorecard or a table. In the Property panel on the right-hand side, look for the metric you'd like to replace or enhance. Click Create a Field, and just like before, give your custom metric a concise yet clear name. Enter the formula you'd like to use for this chart's unique needs, and finally hit Apply. With these steps, you now have both options at your fingertips: creating reusable metrics at the data source level, or specific custom metrics fit for individual charts. These custom metrics can enhance your reports and tailor your data insights to specific project requirements. Whenever you're working with Looker Studio, feel confident that you can manipulate your data to tell the story you need. Thanks for joining me on this data journey today, and happy analyzing.